Listen up. If you're skipping lunch or grabbing junk food because you're busy, that ends today. You don't need hours to eat well. Healthy, delicious food can be faster than delivery. I'm here to show you how to reclaim your lunch break, boost your energy, and trim your waistline. We're talking real food, packed with flavor, made in minutes. No more sad desk meals or 3 p.m. crashes. This is smart, efficient cooking for people who want results, not excuses. Today, I'm giving you my playbook. 3 ultra-fast, restaurant-quality Western meals for busy professionals who want to lose weight. Each meal is a powerhouse, nutritious, satisfying, and designed for your schedule. Let's get in the kitchen and make it happen. Too busy to cook? Watch as I show you 3 lightning-fast meals to keep you lean and energized. First up, let's talk about the Peppercorn beef and spinach desk bowl, your new secret weapon for powering through even the busiest workdays. This isn't just another salad, it's a meal designed for people who want to eat well, feel energized, and keep things simple, all without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. No stove, no cooking, just smart, efficient assembly. This is the kind of meal you can put together in minutes, right at your desk or in the office kitchen, with zero hassle and zero mess. Start with high-quality, pre-cooked, thinly sliced roast beef from the deli. Look for one with a peppercorn crust for that extra kick of flavor. The peppercorn adds a subtle heat and depth that makes every bite interesting, and the beef itself is tender and satisfying. This is your protein powerhouse, packed with the fuel you need to stay full, focused, and productive. Instead of reaching for a sugary snack or a bag of chips, you'll have a meal that keeps you away from the vending machine and supports your goals. For the base, skip the boring iceberg lettuce. Go for a big handful of fresh baby spinach. Spinach is loaded with iron, vitamins, and antioxidants, giving you clean, sustained energy that lasts all afternoon. It's also tender and mild, so it pairs perfectly with the bold flavors of the beef. Next, add halved cherry tomatoes for a burst of natural sweetness and juicy flavor. Slice up some crisp cucumber for crunch and hydration. These veggies not only add color and texture, but they also bring important nutrients and keep the meal feeling light and fresh. If you want to take it up a notch, sprinkle in a little crumbled feta cheese for creaminess, or toss in a handful of roasted seeds or nuts for extra crunch and healthy fats. These simple additions can make your bowl even more satisfying and delicious. For the dressing, keep it simple and clean. Whisk together a splash of extra virgin olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of sea salt, and a crack of black pepper. This zesty homemade dressing comes together in seconds and ties all the flavors together beautifully. Assembly is easy. Lay your spinach in the bottom of your container, then arrange the beef, tomatoes, cucumber, and any extras on top. Take a moment to make it look good. You deserve a meal that's as visually appealing as it is tasty. Pro tip: keep the dressing in a separate small container until you're ready to eat. This keeps your greens crisp and fresh, so you never have to deal with a soggy salad again. When lunchtime hits, just pour the dressing over your salad, give it a quick toss, and you've got a gourmet meal ready in under 5 minutes. It's fast, it's fresh, and it's way more satisfying than anything you'll find in the break room fridge. To make your week even easier, prep your components in advance. Wash and dry your spinach, slice your veggies, and mix up a batch of dressing. Store everything in separate containers so you can grab, assemble, and go. No excuses, no wasted time. This bowl is perfectly balanced: lean protein, fresh vegetables, healthy fats, and plenty of vitamins and minerals. It's fuel for your brain and body, helping you stay sharp, energized, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Compare this to a prepackaged sandwich or greasy takeaway meal. Instead of feeling sluggish or weighed down, you'll feel light, satisfied, and focused for hours. This is the kind of lunch that helps you perform at your best. The flavors are next level: peppery beef, sweet tomatoes, crisp cucumber, earthy spinach, and a bright, tangy lemon dressing. Every bite is delicious. This isn't diet food, it's real food that you'll actually look forward to eating. And cleanup? There's barely any. Eat straight from your container, toss the fork in the dishwasher, and get back to crushing your day with zero fuss. This is what cooking smart looks like, using quality, ready-made ingredients to create a meal that's both convenient and impressive. You don't need to spend hours in the kitchen to eat well. 5 minutes of assembly, and you're set for a high-performance lunch that will keep you going strong all afternoon. Stop settling for mediocre desk food. With just a little planning, you can elevate your lunch game and feel great about what you're eating. Just look at that bowl, packed with power, flavor, and freshness, all with zero cooking required. Take this to work, and you're already winning before noon. You'll feel the difference in your energy, your focus, and your mood. Make a few of these bowls ahead of time, stack them in your fridge, and you'll always have a healthy, delicious option ready to go, even on your most hectic mornings. Next up, let's add some heat to your lunch routine. Next up, we're making the golden garlic chicken flat bowl, a hot, sizzling meal that's ready in just 6 minutes, but tastes like you spent all afternoon in the kitchen. This is the kind of dish that delivers maximum flavor with minimum effort, perfect for busy weeknights, or when you want something special without the wait. Start with thin-cut chicken cutlets, or simply butterfly a chicken breast to create 2 thinner pieces. This not only speeds up the cooking process, but also ensures the chicken cooks evenly and stays juicy. If you're prepping ahead, you can even ask your butcher to do this for you. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels. This helps it sear beautifully. Then, season generously with salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and a good sprinkle of garlic powder. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It's the foundation of flavor for this dish. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat, and add a swirl of olive oil. When the oil is shimmering, lay the chicken in the pan. You should hear an immediate sizzle. That's how you know you're building that golden crust. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side, resisting the urge to move the chicken around. Let it develop that beautiful color, and lock in the juices. In the last 30 seconds of cooking, drop in a knob of butter, scatter in some thinly sliced fresh garlic, and add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a gentle kick. As the butter melts, and the garlic sizzles, tilt the pan and spoon that fragrant garlic butter over the chicken. This step infuses the meat with incredible flavor and gives it a glossy, mouth-watering finish. Once the chicken is cooked through, transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for a minute or 2. This keeps the juices inside, so every bite is tender and moist. Then, slice the chicken into strips, perfect for layering over your bowl. Now, it's time to build your bowl. Start with a bed of fresh mixed greens for crunch and color. Add a generous scoop of pre-cooked grains, quinoa, couscous, or even brown rice work great. Top it all with those golden chicken strips, arranging them so every bite gets a bit of everything. Don't forget the best part. Drizzle the remaining garlic butter and crispy garlic slices from the pan over the entire bowl. This sauce is liquid gold packed with flavor and ties the whole dish together. Make sure you get every last drop. What you've got now is a perfectly balanced meal. Lean protein from the chicken, complex carbs from the grains, a rainbow of fresh greens, and healthy fats from the olive oil and butter. It's satisfying, nourishing, and energizing, ideal for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep for the week. And cleanup? It's a breeze. You only used one pan, so just wipe it clean and you're done. No mountain of dishes, no hassle, just more time to enjoy your meal. With this recipe, you're not just making dinner, you're building real cooking skills. Searing, seasoning, making quick pan sauces. These are techniques you can use with any protein, from steak to tofu. Each time you cook, you get a little faster, a little more confident. Remember, this isn't about slaving over a stove for hours. It's about smart, efficient cooking. A 6-minute kitchen win that fits into any schedule, no matter how busy you are. Instead of reaching for takeout, you're creating a restaurant-quality meal at home, faster than delivery. You control the ingredients, the flavors, and the portions. Plus, it's way more satisfying. The secret? Thin-cut chicken, high heat, and that irresistible sizzle. That's how you get maximum flavor in minimum time, every single time. Just look at that bowl. Golden, juicy chicken, vibrant greens, and a glistening drizzle of garlic butter. It's colorful, inviting, and absolutely delicious. This is how you refuel and respect your time. In just 6 minutes, you've made a meal that tastes 5-star, fuels your body, and leaves you feeling accomplished. Now, let's finish strong with a meal that needs no cooking at all. Perfect for those days when you want something fresh, fast, and effortless. Last up, the lemon Herb Tuna Protein Plate. This is the ultimate zero-cook, zero-equipment meal that you can put together literally anywhere, whether you're at home, in a hotel room, or even at your desk. It's designed for busy people who want real nutrition. Fast, no microwave, no stove, no excuses. Start with high-quality canned tuna. Look for solid white albacore or yellowfin, packed in olive oil for extra richness, or in water if you want to keep it lighter. The quality of your tuna makes a huge difference in both flavor and nutrition, so don't skimp here. Drain the tuna thoroughly to avoid excess liquid, then flake it into a bowl with a fork. This is your lean, protein-rich anchor, packed with muscle-building protein and healthy omega-3s. It's the foundation of your plate. Next, brighten things up with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Add a drizzle of good olive oil for healthy fats and flavor. Then toss in a handful of chopped fresh herbs. Parsley, dill, or basil are all great, but dried herbs work in a pinch. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together gently. You'll get those bright Mediterranean flavors. Zesty, herby, and fresh. Notice, there's no mayo here. This is a lighter, cleaner take that still delivers big on taste. This meal is a fat loss machine. It's high in protein and loaded with omega-3s, which help burn fat, keep you full, and support steady energy levels throughout your day. It's the kind of meal that keeps cravings at bay and helps you stay focused. Now build out your plate. Add a handful of almonds or walnuts for healthy fats, extra protein, and a satisfying crunch. These nuts not only taste great, but they also help keep you full for hours and provide important micronutrients like magnesium and vitamin E. For your carbs, add a few whole grain crackers. They bring complex carbohydrates and fiber, giving you slow-burning energy and helping with digestion. Just a few is all you need to round out the meal and keep it balanced. Don't forget the veggies. Pile on fresh celery sticks, baby carrots, or cucumber spears. These crunchy, hydrating vegetables add volume, texture, and important vitamins and minerals. They're also super portable and don't require any prep beyond a quick rinse. What you've got now is basically a portable, healthy charcuterie board. It's balanced, satisfying, and can be assembled in under 3 minutes, perfect for when you're short on time but still want to eat well. The best part? You can pack each component separately in small containers or bags, then assemble your meal wherever you are, on a plane, in a hotel, at your desk, or even in your car. No fridge or microwave required. Not a fan of tuna? No problem. Swap in canned salmon for a different flavor profile, and the same protein punch. Salmon is also rich in omega-3s and works perfectly in this recipe. If you have a nut allergy, roasted chickpeas or seeds like pumpkin or sunflower are a fantastic alternative. They add crunch, protein, and healthy fats, making your plate just as satisfying and nutritious. The formula is simple: lean protein, healthy fats, fiber, and fresh veggies. It's a no-cook, no-mess approach that fits any schedule and any location. You can even prep several portions ahead for the week. Compare this to what you'd find at an airport kiosk or gas station: processed snacks, sugary bars, and greasy fast food. This plate is clean, energizing, and keeps you on track with your goals, no matter where you are. Remember, it's not just a meal, it's a strategy. Being prepared means you stay in control of your nutrition and never have to settle for junk food, even when you're on the go. The flavors are fresh and satisfying: zesty lemon herb tuna, crunchy nuts, crisp veggies, and a little bit of everything in every bite. It's a meal you'll actually look forward to. This is how you fuel your body for success, wherever life takes you. With a little planning, you can eat well, feel great, and stay on track. Anywhere, anytime. There you have it. 3 meals, 3 situations, 1 philosophy. You're never too busy to eat well. Peppercorn beef bowl for the desk, golden garlic chicken for a hot meal, tuna protein plate for on the go. Fast, delicious, and designed for your goals. This is your new fast food. Healthy, efficient, and powerful. No more excuses, no more junk. These recipes are a mindset shift. Proof you can have a busy life and a body you're proud of. It starts with meals that take minutes but deliver results. Try these, feel the difference, and fuel your ambition. No more compromises. Eat like the high performer you are. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to SlimSync for more fast, lean meals.